Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you import or upload your contacts into HoneyBook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to import or upload your contacts into HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing coaching, you know that managing a lot of different contacts or prospects can be time consuming, and HoneyBook is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to import your contacts, here on the top, you're going to click on Leads. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Contacts. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the contacts you have in HoneyBook. However, to import your contact list, you're going to click here on Import Data. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. Now, the cool thing about HoneyBook is you can actually import your contacts a number of different ways. So you can connect your Gmail or your Google Contacts. But if you have your contacts downloaded in a spreadsheet, you can go ahead and drop it right here. It needs to be CSV, XLSX, or XLS files, and it can't be more than 500. So if you have more than 500, you're going to have to do this in batches. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my contact list and drop it in here. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. So you're going to see a preview import. So the cool thing about HoneyBook is they're going to automatically map out the data, and it did a pretty good job. There's nothing for me to correct. If you need to manage the different fields, so maybe if the company name ended up in the name or something like that, you can click right here and manage the fields. For me, everything came out correct, so I'm going to go ahead and click on import. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we have our new contacts right here. I only imported 2 of the contacts just because those are a test list of contacts. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to import or upload your contacts into your HoneyBook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.